Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel SciTech. In this one I'm going to show you top 5 phones which I did select which are having really good offers during this Flipkart sale. Yes friends, right now Flipkart sale is going on the mobile phones and starting from November 17 to 21st of November. As you can see, I'm getting plenty of comments regarding this, which phones are really best to buy during this Flipkart. Can you make a video together explaining what are the offers is going on? So that's why I thought of making a top 5 phones which I did select in this kind of Flipkart offers. So which makes a lot of sense to buy, and I'll try to explain each phone as well. Is it worth to buy or not? And one more thing, this price is slightly kind of more than usual because usually we did see a couple of other Flipkart sales before, right? Big Billion Day sale and Diwali sale. And coming to this sale feels not that great, but I'll try to explain. Only few phones feels really good. Few phones, they do have really good sales in this, but few phones the offer is not that great when compared with the previous offers. I'll try to explain what are the phones which makes a lot of sense to buy right now during this time. The first phones are Moto H20. Yes friends, right now the Moto H20 is available for about 27,999 rupees in the Flipkart directly. Yes, you don't need any kind of bank discount cards or nothing at all. You can actually buy the phone for about 27,999 rupees. And even the Moto H20 Pro is also available for about 34,999 rupees. These offers we did not see before. Yes, I did not see before. But if you use a bank discount cards, then you can actually buy for this price. But without using bank discount cards, the whole price got decreased, the complete price. As you can see, this was first time happening. So before I did not see this kind of price decreased. Before I did see 28,999 or maybe 29,999 only, but they did give the bank offers. But this time, complete price decrease. Same thing goes to the Moto H20 Pro as well. Even the Moto H20, as you can see, friends, 20 Pro, which has got 34,999 directly. No need any kind of bank discount cards, nothing at all. You can actually get the Moto H20 Pro for about 35,000 rupees direct. That's one discount which you can actually see, which I did not see before. So apart from this one, rest of the offers, we did see slightly more offers before as well, less price. But right now I'll try to show you. Another thing is about the Realme GT Master Edition, which is available for about 25,999. But if you use a debit and credit card, you can actually get 4,000 rupees off to buy this phone. So 4,000 rupees instant discount will be there. Even if you try to exchange also, you'll do get 4,000 rupees instant discount. So which makes the price close to 21,999. So 22,000 you are getting the Realme GT Master Edition. And another phone which is in the offer is about ROG Phone 3. Yes, ROG Phone 3 is also in the offer, which is for about 34,999 rupees. And this for the 8GB RAM variant, which you can actually get, but sometimes it's not in stock as well. And this phone has got some display issues regarding the black color crush issue. Yes, this kind of feels really good to buy for the gaming, but the display is not so great. I forgot to mention, even Moto H20 has got a couple of things regarding the display. Display touch issues is not that good, and connectivity Wi-Fi is also not that great. Two issues in this device. And Moto, I think Realme GT Master Edition don't have any kind of issues. I did not have any kind of major issues. Apart from battery, not that great, but it's kind of a little bit kind of less. That's only one con is there. And apart from that, I did not see any kind of major problems in the Realme GT Master Edition. And next is about the Realme GT Neo 2, which has got about discounted price 4,000 rupees off, and we can actually get for about 28,000 rupees. Yes, 27,999. The price of the Realme GT Neo 2 will be there. So before we did see the price close to 26,000 and 25,000, slightly kind of more. But in case if you are looking to buy, you can again take a look at the Snapdragon 870 chipset as well. That's also another thing. And really good fast charging, Snapdragon 870 chipset, fast charging. These two things are really good highlight points in this device, and haptic feedback is also another best part. And next phone is about the Oppo Reno 6 phone as well. So this phone has got 2,000 rupees off on the debit and credit card, so which makes the price close to 28,000. That's also another option we do have on the Oppo Reno 6 device. So I did not buy this device, I did not even use this phone, but based on the reviews and suggestions, few of the users, they did mention that camera is really good in this device. So that's, if you are looking into the camera and photography and videography, maybe this phone might be your option. So Oppo Reno 6 for the camera purpose. And next is for the gaming, ROG Phone 3. Ultimate gaming. Not even once I disappointed friends in this phone in the while gaming. I did use the phone only in the display only. I did disappoint while watching videos and movies, Netflix and everything. I did disappoint. But for gaming, no issues at all. No problem in the gaming in this device. For all-round category, this can be good. All-round future-proof with a really good strong processor, Snapdragon 870. These are the good options. And if you want to experience stock Android experience and really less weight mobile phone, it feels really great to use the Moto H20, except those kind of problems. But it's really good to use this phone. Yes, I do feel always using the Moto H20 as well. So these are the few top 5 devices, friends, which I did shortlist during this Flipkart sale. There are a couple of other phones which I'll try to concentrate below 20,000 rupees as well. All these phones were about 20,000, 22, 35,000 rupees. These are the sales which I did mention, but I'll try to focus on 20,000 below very soon. That's it, friends. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more updates. In case if you're having any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. Meanwhile, signing off and bye.